Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and this is Genius Store and you are watching. So for today's video we are going to have a new look. So this time this will be my new look. So if you want to know how I created this look, please don't skip and keep on watching. If you are new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in every time I'll post my new video. Without so much ado, let's jump into the video. So okay gorgeous, so this time we are going to create another new look. Yes, because another video, it should be another new look. So it's a different dimension today. So I did my eyebrows off cam. So this time we are working in our eyeshadow. So I am using right now the shade of black. And I'm going to put that one here in my outer V. So maybe you are wondering what look I am going to do. So there's gonna be a little bit thrilling how it will be look like at the end. So you better watch out, you better not cry. So I really do have the hard time kung paano gagawin ang look na ito because I'm actually having no idea what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to call this. So when boredom comes, try talagang mapapaisip ka na lang kung ano talaga yung mga gagawin mo, diba? And ayoko namang maging boring yung content na ito, and so I have to surprise every day, every new video with a different look. So that's it. So in my eyebrows, I'm actually using the dark shade of blue. Yes, it's somewhat like metallic. Yes, you know what? It's really hard to create a content, especially when you don't really know what will be the topic, what will be the title, and many things. So you have to be consistent at all. So ayoko namang maging zero balance with this our new look. So I've gotta make another video just for you guys, enable for you to be entertained. That's how I wanted to do in my channel. So I hope you like this one. That's it. Oh, I really love this look. Sickening. So this time I'm using this like a bronze or something like a gold. I'm going to put in my inner corner of my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it out going to my middle crease. So it's going to be like that one. Yeah. Hindi mo alam kung ano palang mangyayari dito eh. I don't actually know what I'm doing right now. All I want and it's in my mind is just to blend it out, everything, mixture, combining all colors and whatsoever. And I don't really what inspiration or what look is I'm going to use. And for this time, I'm going to apply my foundation. Yes, I'm going just itatap ko lang lahat yan all over my face. So that's it. So naisip ko lang yung look na ito as in ngayon. Hindi ko alam paano kalalabasan ito. So I'm going to apply a concealer under my eye. para mag-glow yung face natin and to emphasize what should be emphasized. Ayan. So, para sa mga baguhan dyan, you do practice na. Anong hinihintay nyo? Kailan pa ba kayo magpa-practice? Diba? Tulad ko, I'm just only a newbie here. I'm just like loving all the things. Like mixtures, combining everything, and so on. Do a lot of practice para ma-achieve mo yung gusto mong ma-achieve. So I'm using the Dermacol Eye Gel Eyeliner. So what I love about this one is like, I think it is a must, especially in beautifying your eyeshadow or like in your eye part, because it like focuses or emphasizes your eyes, and it seems to have, it doesn't need to be like put some mascara or falsies on it. And so this time we are applying our contour. So we started with our nose, a very strong contour. I love the snatch. I want to be like my nose to be snatched. And we are going to apply a contour that would probably make our face so thin, like that. So the power of contouring would actually give you the sense of gratitude. Why I say so? Because tinutulungan niya itong mapalit ang inyong mga mukha. So if you feel that your face is that wide and so strong, so you need to be like applying contour so that it will become more sickening and gorgeous at all. Yeah, I really love this kind of contouring. Why? It's because I can see how it really changes my face, the way my shape is being immobilized by this power of, what do you call this? Sickening aesthetic makeup that will really transform you into something new one. Basta ang matiday, bagita ka. I almost forgot setting my face. My gosh. So I actually see something. This one. So wala naman ako maisip. So I decided to use this, what do you call this? Like this one. It's the Googley eyes. So I'll be using this one for my look today. So watch on how I will use these things. No. See? Pautak today. It's a matter of your creativity. How will you do and how will you use the stuff that is available? Okay, so after 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, actually 50 minutes. Yes, I'm done putting all these googly eyes on my half face. So this time we'll go off cam because I'm going to put my falsie. I'll be come back. So this time we are going to apply now the highlighter in some part of our face so that it will create a shimmery effect on our face. And as we go on to our last and final look, gorgeous.